Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got a bunch of straw jets, and I've got a new way to launch them. So let's get cracking. All right, friends, first things first. If you have not made your straw jets yet, I have a tutorial that may be useful in your classroom. I will put a link to it up above, and hopefully you guys have as much fun building your straw jets as we did. All right, friends, this is a super cool project and a great way to learn about airfoils, but we can't be using straws in our mouths because of COVID, so check out this launcher. Version 1 was just a piece that'll hold the straw that I hot glued inside a cap. I cut my own hole and it worked all right, but my goal was to always print a cap that goes on. And friends, here it is. It screws right on a normal pop. You can try it on a 1 liter, a 1.5 liter, a 2 liter, and there are some water bottles, like I believe this, that may be a Dasani. It may have the same top as well. So you can try it on several launchers. I do put a piece of tape on to hold the straw in. I found that if I had it too snug, it ended up just getting broke. And let me give you a quick test. Alright friends, so this is the old hot glued version. This will be on Thingiverse as well. And when you launch, it is just a quick squeeze. And you can find out how aerodynamic your aircraft is. Now, I'm not a fan of the noise, and I'm always worried that this is going to get wore out, so you'll want to have several of these, but it is effective for getting a launch when you can't actually put a straw in your mouth. Once again, here is the second one. You're making sure it is sitting on gently, and then what we have found is it is just a quick squeeze in the middle, and boom, they launch. Each launcher is different, so I recommend you let students use both kinds, and also make sure they collect data from all their flights. And we also have one attached to a 2 liter, so we can test it too. That one's definitely not real stable, but as you can see, they do launch pretty slick. Kids in my classroom have added horizontal stabilizers, vertical stabilizers, all in an attempt to get the best launch ever. Of course, if you've taught STEM as long as me, you may have a cool toy like a launcher for Kellair cars. I created little adapters here, and we can do powered assist launches as well. 3, 2, 1. Although the drawback to this is when it recharges, we have to put up with that noise. Alrighty friends, let me give you one more launch. We'll stuff these on a little tighter and see if we get a little more distance. 3, 2, 1. Not bad, all the way to the camera. So my friends, I will put a link to this in Thingiverse, and hopefully you guys find it as useful as I have. I will also put a link to the other one in case you want to do the one where you just hot glue it in. And I will also add the parts for the CO2 eliminator. I will warn you, I did have to duct tape those on because when you first hit the button, they were shooting off and becoming little projectiles, which is not real cool in a classroom. So my friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video tuning in. HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.